Hi guys, it's Mimi Unscripted. Welcome back again to my YouTube channel. Today we will be making akara. Not just akara, but the best akara you ever ate. I'll be sharing my top 4 secrets with you. These secrets makes my akara the best ever. And at the end of today's video, you two can go ahead and make for yourself and loved ones. If this excites you, make sure you stay to the end of the video to pick the top 4 secrets in making a different and not the regular akara. Number 1, pick your beans. Guys, you want to ensure you pick your beans. I know a lot of people don't see the sense in picking beans, especially the one they want to use in making akara and moi moi. But trust me guys, you don't want to finish making it and chew on stone or any dirt while eating. Aside from making a delicious meal, we also want to keep it healthy. So number 2, soak your beans. You can either soak the beans immediately after picking or peeling it first, then soak. I do it either ways, but today I'm going to just soak it immediately after picking. I'll soak it for like 30 to 45 minutes and I will go and use the opportunity to have my bits. So we'll proceed to peeling of the beans. We'll try as much as possible to be careful not to waste our beans in the process. Let's take a closer look at how it looks. You can see that's how it looks while picking. You remove the beans pod and you wash. Now that we have carefully and thoroughly washed our beans, we'll know, because we have a strong blender, not soak the beans. We must ensure we soak it. This soaking is one of the secrets to achieve this best akara we are talking about. Number 3, add pepper as desired. Usually 1 or 2 is enough. You don't want to make your akara and you won't be able to eat it because of too much pepper. 1 cube of Maggi, please don't add 2, just 1. Add salt and blend everything together with little water, just like you are making a paste, because you don't want it too hard nor too soft. The idea here is blending them together, because this way it equally distributes in the paste and you won't be eating your akara and tasting Maggi. Now let's pour our mixture from the blender. Let's pour it inside a bowl, and as we do that, let's pour our vegetable oil inside our frying pan or pot. Let's let it be on fire so that it keeps getting hot while we proceed to the number 4 secret. This number 4 secret is the one I call the unbeatable secret. If you have stayed to this point, I want to say congratulations. Don't mind me. But seriously, it's been long I've been making akara, because akara is something I love. And everybody I used to make akara for, they always love it. Like, they always love my akara. That was way before I started applying this number 4 secret. So if you have the only thing you have gained today, if it's just to go with the 3 things we've talked about, I'm certain, like 100% certain, that you will make one of the best akara there. Egg. Yes, egg is the major secret here. Is the unbeatable secret. Is the number 4 secret. You want to take 1 egg, break it, beat it, and pour it directly inside the mixture as you mix everything together. And at this point, your beans paste is ready. Now let's start frying. Another thing for you to ensure at this stage is the oil inside your pot or your frying pan. Ensure that it is mush, because with akara we deep fry, and ensure that it is very hot so that it will not soak oil. Add some onion slices into the oil. This releases some flavor into the oil and allows you to know when the oil is hot. Again, make sure it's not too hot. Now use a spoon to portion the paste into the oil, depending on how big you want the akara to be. Depending on how big, the bigger the spoon you use. Fry on a moderate heat until you achieve this golden brown color, like so. Turn it to the other side. Please ensure that you don't burn it. You don't want to burn all your stress. I mean, you've carefully prepared this with love. You don't want to spoil it at the last minute. Ensure that it is not burnt. So after everything, this particular day I didn't finish this beans paste. So you can preserve your beans paste if you didn't finish frying it. I poured mine into a takeaway, you can see, and I covered it. I put it inside the fridge, not freezer, inside the fridge. It can take 2 days, 3 days, 4 days. It can take days inside the fridge, and you can fry it later time when you feel like it. This brings us to the end of today's video. Subscribe, like, and share. Bye bye.